And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Much colder weather pushed into northeast Wisconsin today, and it's just the beginning. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Highs tomorrow will be in the 30s. For Friday and Saturday, however, highs will only be in the lower to mid-20s and then 20s and lower 30s as we head through the weekend into early next week. Right now, temperatures across northeast Wisconsin range from the mid-20s in Antigo to the mid-30s south and east of Lake Winnebago. Everybody else is looking at temperatures in the lower to mid-30s, including Appleton, where it's 34 degrees and winds are now gusting at 31 miles per hour. Last hour at this time, we had winds in Green Bay gusting to 49 miles per hour. Now those gusts are down to around 35 miles per hour, and those winds will continue to die off as we head through the early evening hours. Here's a look at the peak wind gusts right now across the NBC 26 viewing area, and the strongest wind gust on this map is in Kewaunee, where the wind is gusting to 41 miles per hour. We still have that wind advisory in place until 7 o'clock this evening. Once again, here's a look at some of those extreme wind gusts from earlier today. Just about everybody had a wind gust over 50 miles per hour. Some of us had wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and in Hortonville, we had a wind gust up to 68 miles per hour. So a very windy day, once again, just like yesterday across the upper Midwest, thanks to this area of low pressure. It's sitting 700 miles north of Green Bay this evening, and it's strong enough, even that far north, that it's having a huge impact on our weather because the pressure is so low within this storm. Yesterday, it was comparable to a Category 3 hurricane. Now, on the back side of that storm, we've got a lot of cold air. And as the storm weakens and pulls off towards the east, we're going to see this cold air drop south into the U.S., which means we're going to do a weather 180. Last Friday in Fond du Lac, the high was 22. Yesterday, 63. This Friday, I'm forecasting a high temperature once again at 22 degrees. We've got clear skies across the state right now. Our next weather maker is approaching from the west. It's an area of low pressure now moving through eastern Montana. It's producing a small band of light snow here across South Dakota, and that band of light snow is forecast to track off towards the east-southeast as we head throughout the night into tomorrow morning. Skycast is not showing it right now, but there will be the chance for a period of some light snow or a few flurries tomorrow morning. And then we'll see lots of clouds mixing with some sunshine as we head through the day. Seasonable temperatures tomorrow, lower 30s north, close to 40 across the south, but the winds will crank up as we head into Friday once again as that colder air pushes in, and that means wind chills Friday morning will be in the single digits and teens below zero. So your forecast for tonight calls for diminishing winds. Lows will be in the lower 20s tomorrow. Maybe a snow shower early, especially south of Oshkosh. Otherwise, dry weather with lots of clouds, some sunshine tomorrow. The big weather story will be much less wind out there. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 37. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Double Portion. We did that today. I forecast an early morning high of 40. And that early morning high was 40 degrees. Now, as we head into Friday, look for lots of sunshine, but cold temperatures. Many spots will only be in the upper teens to lower 20s. We'll see low to mid 20s on Saturday with a lot of clouds. We spring ahead Saturday night into Sunday morning. Look for a high of 30 degrees, and then we'll have the chance for some light snow on Monday, followed by the continuation of chilly conditions as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. Stacy, if we had snow on the ground Friday and Saturday, we would be looking at record cold temperatures for early March because we would probably be a good 10 to 15 degrees colder than what I'm forecasting right now without the snow on the ground.
All right. Very interesting, Cameron.
Yeah, this is a cold air mass moving in for this time of year, no doubt about it.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Well, Festival Foods and the American Legion partnering to honor veterans will show you how. Plus, these students in the